Hello, welcome back to my channel, Unicorn Purple Cat. So I don't think you may know this, but I really like slime and I've tried for a couple years to make it, but I don't get it right. But I finally was able to do it with all the random glue bottles that I found in my house. So I'm just going to show you what I have. One of them is Putty, which was a failed slime. So this is the first one. My mom really likes this one. I don't know why. They're kind of sticky. A little bit, just like 2 weeks old. They're really goopy. I tried to make this like a really mint green, but I accidentally added an extra 2 or 3 drops of blue food coloring, so it turned more blue than green, so I had to add more green, and I ended up with a really dark color, which I really don't like, so I'm not gonna fight with it to put it back in the bin. I'll do that later. Just clean my finger. Then is my favorite one, which is a Floam slime. I just took off the plastic wrap that used to be here because my dad said it might not be airtight, so it might dry up, but I have the plastic wrap all the way over there, over the rainbow. So here's the Floam slime. Here it is, Mama having some technical difficulties. She tried to put away the blue slime and now it's stuck to her fingers. This is the Floam. I really liked it. It used to be red, but I changed the color because I wanted it to be more purple. Sorry about the background noises. I wanted it to be more purple, but I added too much blue, so it just turned that color. Then I decided to add Floam beads for the first time, and it turned out really well, and I call it Galaxy Slime because if you look at it, it looks like a little galaxy with planets in it. Okay, this one's a lot easier to put away than the other one. Hi, Mama. Would you like to touch it, Mama? Okay. And I can sometimes make a burrito with it, which is I really like to do. That's not a burrito, but see what I'm trying to do. So I'm just gonna put that one away, much easier. I'll fight with the other one later. Next. So I kind of got the color, I achieved the color that I wanted for the first one. It's more blue, but I was happy with it. And I called it Sky Slime because it looks kind of like the sky. And it's so soft and fluffy, even though it doesn't have any whipped cream, shaving cream. It's just a little bit less sticky than the first one. Oh, okay. If you guys have any tips on how to make slime less sticky, I'm all open to hear for any answers. Now I'll be quiet so you can hear the poking. I love this slime. Okay, I'm gonna roll that one away now. Don't touch it this time. I'm gonna let it sit. This is, I call this Just Peachy because it kind of, it looks a little bit like a peach color. It's more sticky than the Sky Slime. I don't know why. I like doing that. I just find a fascination to it. Okay, moving on. I think this one I'm gonna try to put away. Okay, as you can tell, that didn't really work out very well, but that's that. And the last one that I tried to make was, well, it was supposed to be a Coke slime from this recipe book. It is in my homeschool room along with another shelf of books. It's 101 fun activities. I don't know. I don't remember the title, but there was recipes on how to make slime, dough, and other moldable things. This was the Coke slime. It didn't really turn out slimy. It's more like really tough putty, but I really like the coloring that I put on it. And it tears if you try to do that. But it looks like ham on the inside. I don't know why, it reminds me of ham. It's not really pokeable, and it's a good exercise for your fingers, too. So I don't think you guys want to see that turd. Okay, let's just bring out one last superstar that I love. And my nails were not good. So just a couple more pokes, and then you guys can go do whatever else you need to do in your life. Oh, okay. Bubble gum. Oh my god. And I made these with liquid starch, glue, and food coloring. I don't remember the exact measurements, but I think I can put it in the link down below. So okay, let me just scoop that off. Well, thanks for watching. Oh my god. Well, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can see whenever I post, and I post every Wednesday and Sunday. There might be some delays because of maybe issues. I don't know, but hope you really like my video.